So my name's Sarah Akhtar. I'm actually born and raised in San Antonio. I went to UTSA for my undergrad and graduate school. I actually graduated with my master's in clinical and mental health counseling in 2017. So my background is in mental health. I'm a licensed counselor, and I did that for a couple of years and quickly realized that I wasn't able to address the things that I saw were issues. So I decided to go back to school for social work, and recently graduated with my MSW, my Master's of Social Work, and that's led me to where I am today. So the social work program at UTSA has a very strong cultural competency focus, which is really important for me. San Antonio is a very diverse city, so I'm used to that diversity, and I really wanted to continue pursuing that and incorporate that into my career and the type of work that I was doing. It was a really incredible program. It was a lot of work, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. When I started the social work program, I knew that I had to do internship, so I really pushed for a more macro setting that focused on policy and systems, and that's how I ended up at the Social Impact Studio at WestEast Design. And I had a lot of skills that were necessary for that type of role that I was in. And so I started as an intern, and they ended up keeping me on full-time. So I guess technically their first intern and their first full-time employee. So at the Social Impact Studio, what we focus on is homelessness and housing. Part of that is also trauma-informed design, since we are based at an architect firm. So one of the things that we did was partner with IKEA and developed a small home that is trauma-informed design, and it is built specifically for people that have experienced or are experiencing homelessness. And it's not just the physical home itself, but it's also the interior design as well that is trauma-informed design based. The other part of this project was also developing trauma-informed design curriculum for IKEA to use with their coworkers. So they're going to be taking the curriculum and training all of their coworkers so they're aware of not just trauma-informed care, but also trauma-informed design, what that looks like and how they can incorporate that throughout the company.